Alright guys, so just a quick video before I move on to rigging this. What I've done is I've created and finalized an arm design. I've just got a t-shirt with a kind of a tribal design on the t-shirt. I've made the guy a bit more muscly so his tricep and his bicep is standing out, and I've just made an elbow and a glove as well. So with the glove, I didn't extrude out the glove, I extruded in for the fingers and just extruded in here and created some fingertips or fingernails as well. So very easy extrude job. Alright, so very easy to do. Remember guys, you can download this hand for free on the Unity chat website, so I'll probably put a link in the description for you. Without the glove of course, it's just a hand, and use it in your games if you like, or just to practice. So before I move on, I just want to go into our texture editor for a sec. So as you can see, everything's moved to the side, and how I do this guys, I start off with a big block of a particular texture. So that's the first thing. I create all the UV shapes. Alright, so the hand, this is a good one, this is an arm, it's a bit squashed down, but make them as accurate as you like. And the next thing to do is to cut the textures out as much as you can to save as much space as you can. So what I do, I print screen this area, or save the image, and import it into Photoshop, so you've got a reference. So dim down the opacity and then cut around your textures and then move everything to the side, because there's no doubt that you will want to improve this in the future, and the only way you can do that is to free some space, add some more detail to your textures. So very, very important, because all the big companies do this guys, like EA for example. They've been around for about 20 years now, and they reuse a lot of their assets. I mean, they improve them and reuse them in lots of games. It saves a lot of time. So for us, we need to start doing that as well. We need to start building up our library. So always think ahead in the future. We want to save as much space as we can. Alright, and similar story with the gun, but with the gun I want to show you a different thing. Let's go to the hierarchy. So I've grouped the gun model itself, the trigger, so we can rotate the trigger like so. So when the guy shoots, the trigger goes back. And we want to separate the clip as well, so when the user runs out of ammo, the clip flies out. We can attach a rigid body to this for example, so it flies to the ground, and then we'll make another animation of another clip being inserted. So we want the animations to be as detailed as possible, and to do that we need to rig out these fingers. I've made loops at the beginning of the fingers and in the middle, so we can animate these. And to do this we need IK handles as well. So in the next video I'm going to set that all up, all the rigging and stuff. It's going to be similar to the previous videos, but we're going to do the fingers as well. And then we're going to use the keyframe animation to keyframe out our animations and import them into Unity, do a bit of setting up, and then we'll be ready to go with our first person controller. So thanks for watching guys. Remember about the UV stuff, squash everything down as much as you can, and this is free to download on Unity chat website, the hand. Alright, I'll probably put the gun on there later on as well. So thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in the next video where we're going to rig out this. So thanks a lot.